I took some supermarket flowers to the castle. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album William had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the thank you cards and stuffed animals, pour the old baby sham down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but mother's a tear every time the light blink. Oh, we're in pieces, it's tearing us up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So we'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of our queen. When we fell down, you'd be there holding us up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. He fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. Charles said he'd drive and put his hand on William's cheek and wiped a tear from the side of his face. I hope that I see the world as she did, 'cause I know a life where love is a life that's been lived. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of our queen. When we fell down, you'd be there holding us up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. God save the King. God save the King. God save the King. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of our queen. You got to see the person we have become. Spread your wings, and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah.